Hello, welcome back guys to Amelia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change Google Drive password on Android. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support this channel. And without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly of course you just have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet. And now just go ahead to this Google Drive application. And if you want to change the password, go ahead to this account, which is your Google account. Now tap on this Google account options, guys. After in this page, you just have to scroll it down a little until you'll find here the Google password. Just tap on it. And as you can see, you have to enter your currently password first. I'm gonna enter it first here, guys. Now just tap on the next button here at the bottom. And you will find out these two columns, which is for your new password, I guess, and then the second column, this is for confirmation your new password. Here I'm gonna create my new password first. After, just tap on this change password at the bottom, and as you can see, there are information at the bottom that your password is changed successfully. So yeah, I think it's enough. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.